Working with microscopy data and need to view a LSM file from a Zeiss confocal system. These files contain detailed scientific imaging. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening Zeiss LSM image files for analysis. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic LSM corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. A multi-dimensional image format generated by Zeiss laser scanning microscopes. These files are common in biological and materials science research, storing not just image data but also extensive metadata about the microscope's settings, such as laser power, scan speed, and objective lens used during image acquisition. The LSM format is a proprietary TIFF-based binary file. It extends the standard TIFF structure with custom tags to store a rich set of acquisition parameters and multiple image planes for Z-stacks or time lapses. This design allows it to be a self-contained record of a scientific experiment, ensuring data reproducibility. Carl Zeiss AG maintains the integrity of the LSM specification through Zen, Zeiss Efficient Navigation. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows can render many raster types, but serious adjustments rely on professional graphics programs. Your initial diagnostic check: right-click the LSM file and choose Open With. Start with Zen, Zeiss Efficient Navigation, if installed. If it's missing, select another program. The right compatibility hook exists somewhere. If the LSM file won't open, don't panic. Let's get the technical grounding straight. Before we jump to the universal solution, let's look at the specific reasons this LSM file is failing to load. First, opening in Zen. Download Zen. Light free from Zeiss, the official Zeiss microscopy software, for full LSM file access. Use File, then Open to load the image with all dimensions, metadata, and Zeiss-specific features intact. Zen provides a comprehensive visualization channel adjustment and basic measurement tools optimized for Zeiss microscope outputs. Next, analyzing in ImageJ. Open LSM files in ImageJ or Fiji using the Bioformats plugin, which handles Zeiss LSM format with full metadata preservation. Drag and drop the file, or use File, then Import, then Bioformats. ImageJ provides extensive scientific image analysis, capabilities for measurements, channel separation, and quantitative microscopy workflows on LSM data. Finally, converting for sharing. Export LSM files to OME TIFF or standard TIFF format using ImageJ's Save as function-preserving multidimensional structure, or to PNG JPEG for individual channel sharing. Use Bioformats. Command line tools for batch conversion of large LSM datasets, enabling integration with diverse image analysis platforms and collaborative research workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.